Hello, dear. Hi, good evening. Nice to see you again, Olivia. How are you today? Oh, what are you doing? How are you today, my dear? Oh, did you go to school today?
Yeah.
What did you do at school? Did
Today,
you? Mm-hmm.
I teach at school.
Oh, you don't have school.
Have.
Oh, you have. Did you have a piano lesson?
What's that? I know. Lesson.
Did you play piano or violin?
No music.
Oh,
It
no
is
music class
different.
today.
Have music class, but it's not
Mm-hmm.
those music.
Oh, okay. Now, dear, let's have section 3. Did you eat dinner already? Did you eat dinner? What did you eat, my dear?
You're right.
Now let's proceed to section 3.
Walk,
Jump,
Mm,
run,
We're done with this one.
Yes.
We're done.
Yes.
We're done. Yeah.
This one. Now, listen to teacher.
No, we're done with this.
Listen to teacher and draw the 4 things that I will say. Okay? Now, put a radio behind Dan.
What's
Put a
that?
radio behind Dan. Draw a radio. Draw.
Ladies. Show.
Radio.
Radio. What's that?
Music. Radio.
Where?
Behind Dan.
Dan.
Yeah, behind Dan.
What I draw? A piano.
Where is Dan?
Piano.
No, Dan is a boy. Where is Dan? Here is Dan. Behind Dan. Put a radio behind Dan. Wow, very good. Now, can you please put a cat in front of the dog?
Oh, in front.
Draw a cat in front of the dog.
I can draw picture.
Oh, where's your drawing to Dan? Mhm. Draw a cat in front of the dog. Go, draw a cat, a little cat.
Done. Luna. I'm done.
Okay, cat in front of the dog. Next, draw a monkey above the tree.
I don't know how to months. Where?
Here, above the tree. Draw a monkey above the tree.
The monkey. Oh, I know.
Tree above the tree. Where's the monkey?
Here.
Above the tree.
The monkey. The monkey.
Oh, where's the monkey, Olivia?
Like this. The eye. Like this. And the monkey.
Tree. Above the tree. Where is the tree? Here is the monkey. Here.
But
Tree.
too small.
Just only draw a small monkey because monkey
I
is
can-
really small.
I can draw a small one.
Now, can you put the last? Add 2 balloons of Jane. You add 2 balloons of Jane. Go.
I'll put a cute balloon. Oh, alright. Not this. Do that green.
呢個咧，呢個你知唔知係咩嚟㗎？你估啊？
I'll draw a big balloon.
煙水咧，
Look. At this
係咯，咁
balloon.
就最嚟咯，用咯。
Like this.
係咯，打電話。我等我打電話聽下佩奇個電話得唔得？我你聽住佢得唔得？呢個係佩奇㗎嘛？你先得啦，睇你撳下得唔得？得唔得？撳唔到啊！就係撳唔到啊！
A big balloon.
咁點啊？
I make a big
點
balloon.
啊？要我收咗線你先收
Okay, well done. Very good. What happened?
It's a really big balloon.
Now let's draw a balloon. 1.
The big.
Yes, 2 more balloon. Very good. Now we are done. Now, find the letters to spell the missing words.
What is this? Letter.
Find the moving verbs. What are the example of moving verbs?
Monkey.
Find the moving verbs. Okay, I will show you moving verbs.
都係咯，骨咯，又有肉咯，
Who's
都係咯，
moving
有骨有肉
verbs?
咯，都係咯。
No.
呢度就係啫，又有白啦，
Here are the moving verbs.
What?
都係㗎。有肉。
Here are the moving verbs. Here.
Ah, I found it.
Yes, these are the examples. Jump, hopping, skating, going, skipping, climbing.
G-O-I-N-G. Okay.
Okay, but here are the moving verbs here. Walk. Now underline the rest, Olivia. Underline the other moving verbs. You may start now.
Where? Here.
Yes, in the circle word.
C-O-I-N-G. Got it. G-O-I-N-G.
係佢唔可能記得咗啦，你睇咗佢佢記得咗啦，肯定係啦。啊，佢其實記得咗啦。啊，佢其實都唔記得啦嘛，如果拎，如果唔係，
Are you done?
係咪先？
Not yet.
Now, underline it now.
Go.
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 Find it here, my dear. For example, like
Where?
this. Skate.
What?
Skate. Anything else? That moving verbs.
I found it. Walk. Climbing.
Mm-hmm.
First climb. Climbing. Climbing. We're climbing. Here. Skipping.
Mm-hmm.
Running. Hopping. Hopping. Repeat that. You will.
Okay, anything else? Jump.
Yeah.
Jump.
First jump.
Here,
Oh
jump.
yeah. Jump.
Next, what is this? Skip. Yes. Hop. Yes. Hop. Run. Skip. Dance. Now let's read. Walk. Skate. Jump.
Jump.
Hop. Run. Skip. And the last, dance. Now, what are these? What is the boy doing?
Climb.
Now, complete the sentence. Complete the sentence, dear.
Another. Orange. Right.
What's the boy doing?
Mình.
如果跌咗落地下，會唔會周圍行㗎？咁你哋驚唔驚啊？哎呦，真係㗎！哎呦，係咩？咁你點啊？
Okay, that is the spelling.
我驚你跌咗落嚟點算
The
啊？
spelling. What is the spelling of climb?
係啊，咁你哋
Climb. What is the spelling?
I don't know.
C
E
L
L
唔會，
I.
你都得㗎，
I
你唔驚㗎？
Yes, I B climbing.
係咪啊？
climbing
用乜嘢啊？用乜嘢啊？
Now, what is the spelling, dear?
Climbing.
Okay, please read aloud.
係咪啊？你唔驚㗎？直接驚唔驚㗎？
Please read aloud, dear. What is
你唔
this?
驚㗎？
Climbing. Correct.
你驚唔驚啊？
Now,
哎呦，好犀利嘅你！
section E. Look, read, and write.
你咁勁啊！
The boy
The
with
boy
a radio is wearing wearing? What he's wearing, my dear?
A yellow cloak.
Yellow
Sure.
t-shirt. Next, which number the girl's foot on now? 8. Which number is the
climbing.
girl foot?
8.
Yes, that
This
is
one.
the example. Now question. The boy in the orange jacket is?
Blue jacket. Yellow jacket.
Orange. Who is
Orange
the boy?
jacket.
Circle the answer. Who is the boy with the orange jacket?
I know who is it. He.
Okay, is running. Correct. Next. At the front of the picture. Where is the front of the picture? What you can see? What you can see? Front of the picture.
Front of the picture.
Yes.
All of them, I can see a girl and a boy.
Okay, more front.
More
What you can
front.
see?
I can see those.
In front of the boy and the girl. What is
girls
in
just-
front of the boy and the girl?
A bicycle.
A blue bicycle. Next. Now, answer the questions. One girl is skipping. What color are her trousers? Circle the girl skipping. Where is the girl skipping?
Skipping. This one.
What's the color of her trousers?
Trouser. Right.
His pants?
What? It's not dancing, it's jumping.
Yes, skipping. What is
Skipping.
color of her pants?
Pants. Right there. Like, ooh.
What color?
Pink.
It's red. Next.
Red.
What's the girl with the red balloon doing? Who is the girl with the red balloon? Circle it now.
Easy. Just one can have a red balloon. This girl.
Okay, very good. What is she's doing?
She's skating
She's
with the balloon.
skating, correct, and smiling. Now, write one sentence about the picture. Okay, what can you say about the picture?
A blue beak. Blue beak. A blue beak.
Now write a sentence. What you can see, all of them in the picture.
It's all of them already. You see? Wow. So pink.
What you can see in the picture. They are moving. Watch us. We are moving. Very good. Next.
Moving.
Now, about you. Say and write the answer. Who do you play with in your playground? I play with
I play with it. I good. I good.
who do you
I
play
play
with in the
with
playground?
my sister.
With my sister. Next. Is your playground big or small?
It's still be big and little
Is
bit small.
is big. What are you good at? What are you good at? I'm good at swimming, dancing,
No.
playing piano. What are you good at?
Playing piano.
Okay. Playing piano.
Piano.
Next. Tell me about your friend.
What?
Now, please read aloud.
My name is Serena.
Selena, Serena.
No. Not
Serena.
No. Not Serena.
Okay, you can write your answer there, here.
I don't know how to spell her name.
Okay, what is it? Serena?
No, Irina.
Irina. Wow, what a beautiful name. Irina. My friend is... How old is your friend?
6 years old.
She is 6 years old. What's your friend good at? She is good at
Chinese.
and she is
Good at Chinese.
good at Chinese language. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay, dear. Now, please read aloud. Please read aloud. What?
What do you play with in your playground? Is our playground big or small? At are you good at? How my so our friends. How's our friend's name? What is your friend's name? How old are your friend?
Okay, tell me
How
what's...
who are how old? How who Oh,
How old?
or no, I'm done with how old already. How that what is your sprinkle and play with my sister? This is red. I
Mhm.
am
Okay, very good. Now we are done. Let's learn grammar today. Okay, wait. Let's move on to another book. Please wait. Mhm. Now, our lesson for today, let's talk about, okay, wait, it's now loading.
6 years old. She is good at Chinese language.
Mhm. Now we are done with the part one.
Reading 2.
Okay, what is the title, dear?
I don't. Fun. Fun. Muffin.
Unit.
Unit 2. I love this girl.
Animals.
This girl.
Animals.
This boy. This boy.
Okay, let's proceed. Now, say and write the animals that you see.
Oh, I love the jellyfish.
Say and write the animals you see.
Jellyfish. Jellyfish.
Okay, what animal is this?
This bear.
Now, what is the spelling of bear?
B E R. Bear.
A-R.
R. Bear.
Bear. How about number
Jellyfish.
2? What animal is this?
It's a rabbit.
What is the spelling of the rabbit? Now, can you please write in number 2? Number 2. Here is
I
number
don't know
2.
how
R.
to do it.
Rabbit.
A.
R. A.
A.
Yes.
E.
Now write it here and let's check your spelling, okay? Write it now. So we will check your spelling, dear. Okay, make it smaller so we can write more. Make it smaller. Do you have a text? So it's much more clearer. Text. Click text.
This. Okay.
RABB. Rabbit. Okay, number 3. What is number 3, dear? What is this? Hop, hop, hop. Kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
K A
Ooh. Kangaroo. No. No.
Now number 4. What is number 4?
Number 4, mosquito.
Number 4, this one. Number 4,
This one
it's a
is a
fly. Fly.
flies. Flies.
Next, number 5. What is number 5? Oh, I
Dolphin.
love this. Dolphin. D-O.
Dolphin.
D-O-L.
Oh.
D-O-L-P.
Donkey. Donkey. Donkey.
P-I-H-P-H-I-N.
Dolphin. Dolphin.
Correct. How about number 6? Oh, do you like this? Do
Yes.
you like this? What is this? What animal is this?
Panda.
Panda. Now,
Panda.
put the word P. Panda.
Panda. What does it say? What does it say?
Number 6 is panda. P.
Q.
A.
A. Q. A.
P-A. What is the spelling? Panda.
Panda.
Wow. Number 7. What bird is this?
For birds, there's a parrot.
Yes. Now write the spelling of a parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T.
Oh, bits. Rabbit. Apple. Rabbit.
Okay, correct. P-A. Parrot. Okay, number 8. What is number 8?
Super egg. Tiger. Tiger.
Lion. Yes, correct. Now, please spell the lion. L I. Oh, what happened? Oh, where's your answer? Okay. L lion. L-I.
O-N.
Very
Lion.
good. How about this? Wow. What's this?
Wow. What's this?
Lizard.
Lizard.
Lizard. Now, write number 9. Lizard. L-I-Z.
Lizard. Sir. Sir. Peter. Lisa. Penguin. Penguin. Because a penguin. 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 Penguin is the penguin. 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 Penguin.
Penguin. Okay, is that the spelling of a penguin? P-E. P. E. P. E. Mm-hmm. N. G. I. Okay, sorry. U. I. N.
And
How about 11? What is this? Oh,
snail.
snail. What is the spelling of snail? Snail. S-N-A.
And